This is one of the Olansi air purifier workshop. Here today we would like to show you more detail. For first part is the material. All of this injection is made in our first floor, which is the injection machine. It is including the 780 ton. So you can see the assembling here. This is the ionizer and the motor. The stable for this part is very important because it will create the noise if you make different. And here is the power for the motor. To make a bigger capacity, now we have many different machines like this. It can make the PCB more fast, make the assembly more fast. This is the assembling line. And show you the very key point is for the quality test. Here is the quality test center. This room, you can test many details here, which including the noise and the power. Plug it in. Okay, pass. After finish the test here we double check again. Once it finish this pass check testing, this machine is ready to go to the agent test. Agent test is very important for an air purifier because we can know many details for the agent test. You can see here is test the noise sensor, UV, and all function we will test here, including the light sensor, the PM2.5 sensor, the speed, and the ionizer, the UV, and the timer. Also the child lock. It depends on the machine. How many functions of the machine and how many tests we will need to do it. This is with humidified. Also 100 agent tests here. This one is the QC people, the quality test people. We should set the manager here. After finished this test, the product is ready to be packaged. Now this two line is for the package. And also the filter. This is 2-in-1 filter, carbon and HEPA. And for this high-end mode, they will also have the washable filter. Yeah, you can see. Okay, this is the future package. So we check all for this workshop so that you can see better. This slide is for special product, for some new product learning test. And this learning workshop, this one, Okay, so let's go to check the filter workshop. Same workshop, we have two for the air purifier, like this. This one is mainly for the big size. Here is for the packet. All with this bell is very strong. Right here. Okay, go to the filter workshop now. The first floor is for the injection, second is for the air purifier, the third is for the air purifier, and the number 4 here is for the filter. Oh, sorry, it is the time they go to lunch, but we can also check. Up. This is how to make a HEPA filter here. Can you see another workshop nearby this one? It is for the carbon. Okay, we start from here. This Chinese meaning is anti-violence HEPA filter, H13 HEPA filter. This is the raw materials. And another workshop is for the carbon. We can check.